This is the demo for the AI powered shopping assistant. First, you have to log in. So, this is a new user that doesn't had a buy anything yet. So, well, we can ask to the assistant, for example, what products. This is something like this. So I this source is what is powered by with an agent, and also has his own NCP tool to do the search, and well and is powered with Anthropic agent using Anthropic. Okay, so this is based on the question. He will the assistant will lose the products for the home. No? For example, if you want to add all these products to the cart, for example, so those products to the cart. So, so the assistant will add all those products to your shopping cart. Okay, so you can type show my cart to see your coming shopping cart. Okay, if you want, you can edit the units, for example, add two more units to the comment. Okay, so we added two more units. So if you type show my cart again, you will see two more units of the electric oven. Okay. Well, if you want to pay, obviously this is a payment flow. You can type checkout, and the assistant will the payment will be made. Okay. Obviously this is a fake payment flow because this is not connected to any payment system or something. Okay. Also, the assistant generates the bill, so if you want, you can see your bills. Okay, so in this moment, well, this user has two bills. Okay, two bills. Okay, so if you had, well, if the user has bought any products in the past, you can use, you can tell to the assistant to recommend you some products. No? So, assistant will recommend you some product based on the products that you had bought before. No, okay. So well, and obviously you can add one of these products. Example. Example. You can add the units that you want. I show my card. Okay, so you can manage everything from here, no? You can search for products, you can add products to the shopping cart, and you can remove products from the shopping cart, edit products from the shopping cart. You can do the payment. Obviously, a Fave. Right now, there is a Fave flow payment. You can also show console your bills. So yes, this is an unified system can do all this. Obviously, there are different tools for the shop, for the car, for the sales, the checkout, for the bills. Well, there are different NCP tools for that. And also there is an admin panel with administration can see, for example, there are two in the dashboard, there are two reports that can be important, like the low stock alert that found products with low stock. In this case, that had 10 or less units, and the sales of the day, no, and the top selling products, no. This report refreshing every 30 seconds. There is an analytic dashboard that has like an overall of the revenue or the performance of every category. In this case, there are two categories, kitchen and home, and the top five most sell products. There is a report of popular products. All this, every report has its own NCP tool. There is a report of abandoned cars, short cars, maybe cars that are there and but there hasn't been any payment. There is a report of every category, a revenue report. Uh, Also, you can manage your products from here. For example, if you want to edit one product, right now you have to do it for the ID, no? Yeah, because this is like an MVP demo. And here you can generate a description for your product, no? And with powered by AI, no? This has its own NCP tool to do to create this description, no? And you can use that description and update your product. Okay. There are custom reports, for example, we can say this is some custom reports that you can make based on what you need, and this has its own NCP tool. No, he adds the SQL dynamically. Okay, and there is a section on advanced reports, so you, you can type the product ID and get price recommendations. So maybe your product has a very low or high price, but the report will tell you that. The sentiment analysis that says, well, how is the feeling of the customer with every product based on every sale of the product. There is a product comparison, so you can compare two products. Okay, this maybe can take a while, but so there is a comparison of the products. And this is a demand, maybe the demand that the product can have in the next 30 days. So you can put the product ID and this will tell you if you how the you expected stock how many times will or if you need to more stuff in the current days, but and that's it.